Welcome back. We've been shopping again. Garbage. Lots of garbage. Lots of 110 volt lights on the stands. They're all spares or repairs. There's some stuff. I usually convert them to 230 volts and use them around here. We got, I think it's a total of 7 MIG torches. This one looks like a brand spanking new shroud, at least. Yeah, it's a total of 7, and I'm hoping to make 1 or 2 of them, because I'd like to have different torches for different wire sizes, so I can easily swap them over, because now I got the connectors for the Euro connector, so life makes a lot easier. Well, we'll do a video on that, how to convert an old MIG welder to a modern torch connector. Anyway, yeah, it's a bunch of lights and massive lights. You got some power tools. There's more. That's another one of these monster lights here. Don't know what to do with. We'll find out. It came with a lot. It was all this switch gear and yeah, plenty of lights and electrical switch gear and a whole box full of these sanding belts here. These sockets are not the greatest ones, but you know, you can't have enough of this stuff and they're expensive. So let's have a look at the other stuff. We'll get it out, and if there's something exciting. Oh yeah, a bunch of welding rod ovens. Some of them are not so good anymore. Yeah, we've got some hammer drills. This is a 110 volt with a cut-off plug, so may have an issue. These are 230 volts, don't know, cheaper ones, we'll find out. Then we got some more switch gear here. I think this is the telephone system. I don't know what that is, maybe an alarm system. I have no idea. That's an alarm system as well. Some plugs, sockets, switches, whatever. Alright, let's get the stuff out and see what goodies we find. It's not exciting. It was just I was busy when the stuff was running out, so I just put some bits on stuff which I was interested in, and got half of it. Obviously the really good stuff went for 10 or more. That's what it is. Anyway, let's get the stuff out and we'll come back. Oh, we just pulled the smaller ones out, and it says 60 watts, 5000 Kelvin, and this one says I think 60 watt as well. So they are not super high power. I wonder what this one is here. That's something different. That's 120 watts. So these are actually fluorescent lights. They might be not too bad. If the lamps are okay, we're gonna fit them, because 60 watts is acceptable. The problem is these 500 watt halogen stuff is just a pain in the butt. But we put a plug on that and see what it does. I'm surprised. I think that's a good find, but I think the bulbs are really expensive. Don't know what they are. I think they're fluorescent. We'll see how bright they are. We'll come back on that. So here we got a bunch of welding rod ovens. We'll see if some work. I'm surprised by those. They look pretty new actually, at least the shrouds. There are some consumables missing, some of them here. Don't know what the story is, I have no idea, but honestly that was a good bargain. And this is all the grinding belt stuff here. Can't have enough of this stuff. Yeah, that's some stands for the lights. This is, I was hoping this is a good one, but it's a broken one, so it's not watertight anymore. I think we're gonna scrap it. Here we got all the lights. They were spares or repairs, so they all have some issues, but yeah, we'll get them sorted. And some switch gear. basically switches. I don't know if they no good, they go to the scrap. Not really exciting, but well, it wasn't expensive, so okay. And look at the pile of the other switch gear. That's the whole pile of switch gear. Some is rubbish, but some of the sockets are really nice, and we need a lot of sockets, so we check them. If they're good, we use them. The rest goes to scrap. Alright, I'm gonna crack on because I need the truck empty, because we made a deal on a really exciting machine, so we need to pull the trailer next week. It happened that I came to a customer doing some other work, and yeah, there is a machine for sale, so I couldn't resist. Made a deal with him, and it's heavy, about 1.5 tons. So watch the space. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, until next time.